listen close. I walked to the park in the morning sun. I played with my friends and we had some fun. I cooked a big dinner for everyone. Yesterday was fun. I walked, I played, I cooked, I stayed. I listened to music that the radio played. Yesterday happened, it's in the past. The good times, they move so fast. I worked all day, then I washed my car. I practiced guitar like a rock and roll star. Watched a movie till the day was done. Oh, yesterday was fun. She called me on the phone last night. We talked for hours, everything was right. I cleaned my room and I fixed my bike. I posted a photo that you really liked. She called, we talked, I cleaned, I fixed. The memories of yesterday, they can't be missed. Yesterday happened, it's in the past. The good times, they move so fast. I worked all day, then I washed my car. I practiced guitar like a rock and roll star. Watched a movie till the day was done. Oh, yesterday was fun. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I really did. I laughed and I danced just like a kid. Everything ended, the sun went down. The quietest night in this whole town. It's in the past. The good times, they move so fast. I walked, I played, I cooked, it's true. I loved every minute that I spent with you. Yesterday